So first on your Instagram, go ahead and tap the IGTV icon on the top right. That's the icon that looks like a TV there, or you could use the standalone app. Go ahead and press that. And you could search here by the videos that are recommended for you, but I'll just go to the popular tab here, and then you could kind of scroll and find the video that you're looking for. Let me go back here. I'll just share this popular one here. Let me just click this one, and I'm gonna click in the middle of the page here so this bottom part goes away, so I could see on the bottom the number of views, comments, and so on. And if you see the airplane icon, go ahead and press that airplane icon to share it. And once you do press it, the very first option should be add video to your story. So you could always send it to other people here in messages, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my story. Press that, and this is what it looks like. This is the preview on your story. So as always, you could go ahead and use your two fingers here to resize the story. You could go ahead and add stickers or anything else you want here. So I'll just go ahead and add one of these here, and you could go ahead and add a call to action. So you could go ahead and use text, and you could put that anywhere on your story here. Let me just go ahead and change the color. So that's how you do that. And once it's done, you could just go ahead and press the plus sign, share to your story, and that's it. Now it's gonna be on my story. So if I go back to my profile here, and if I click my story, you could see that it's been added to my story here. And if you tap on it, it's gonna say watch IGTV video. So if I press it, it's gonna launch IGTV and show me the full video. So this is just a quick preview inside of the story. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily social media videos and tech videos just like this one. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.